Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we have a look of XEM coin. What's the prices goes in XEM, what's the high price, what's the current price, and what's the change goes at this time in XEM. And a lot of people also message me that please make a video on XEM, that what's the next target of the XEM coin friends. So in this video I will answer this question. Before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so kindly click the subscribe button now and also like this video for more new updates. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Now friends, if we look the price of the XEM coin at this time, so the price is about 0.434444 USD dollars, the current price of XEM coin at this time friends. Now if we look the change occurring in the XEM in the last 1 hour, so the change is the last 1 hour change is positive, last 1 day change is positive, and the last 1 week, last 7 day change as negative. That's mean and the last one day, last 1 hour, they start moving upward. So absolutely it's a profit time of XEM coin. The market rank of the XEM coin is about 43. Before start, now let's see the price prediction of the XEM coin of the last 1 hour. What's the change goes at this time in the XEM coin? Let's see. As you can see here, the change as goes very good at this time friends. The change is in positive. 0.39% change goes in XEM coin at this time friends, and the high price of the XEM coin in the last 1 hour is about 0.4187 USD dollar is a high price friends. Now for the next target detection, we have to look the last 1 day price prediction chart of the XEM coin friends. Now friends, if we look the price prediction chart of the XEM coin, so absolutely they are moving upward, it is clear. Now friends, if we look the price prediction technical analysis, so as you can see here, that is a resistance and that is a support level. So they continue has traveled between two lines, but if we look the current situation of XEM coin, so they are trying their struggle to move upward, as you can see here. So that's mean that the big pump, the big jump of the XEM coin are coming soon. There is no chances to XEM falls down friends, because they are very highly than the support level. So what's your opinion about XEM coin? Please share your opinion in the comment box, and remember to subscribe Abhi's Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about XEM coin. Thank you so much for watching this video.